children of Israel are black unto the ground. There is no white prophets in the Bible. Jesus is not a white man in the Bible. It only belongs to who are called the children of Israel. My brother with the shades, I see you nodding your head. You like that? Come here, come here, come here. Let me show you real quick. Watch this. So now, this Edomite, that's who they are according to the Bible. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Watch this, bro. Where's it at? Here it is. You see I ain't paying that white man no mind, right? Watch this. What's your name? Henry? Watch this, Henry. The Bible, in the Bible, you had the beginning of the white race. They were called Esau. They were called the Edomites.
All right. We're going to take a pause from our family reunion festivities, because this is what this feels like. A big family reunion. And guys, you are here at Bellingham Marketplace Juneteenth celebration. Like I told you before, you all are in for a treat. I want to bring onto the stage Miss Shannon Hines from Fashion Therapy. Can you come join us on the stage? If you are into fashion, make some noise. That's what I'm talking about. Maybe they came to see y'all, okay? They came to see you all. Alright, so can you just tell us a little bit about your brand, Fashion Therapy? When did it start? How did it start? Who do you have with you? Just give us all the tea, okay?
Yes. Here's my name right here, y'all. So yes, I am the founder, creative director of Fashion Therapy Incorporated. What we are is a curated team of professionals. We go around giving fashion makeovers. So if you don't know what that is, we just kind of touch them up with a makeup experience, a hair experience, and overall fashion facelift is what we call it. So another part of Fashion Therapy is we host fashion shows and fashion cycles. So today you'll get to see a little bit of my fashion show where we choreograph. And all the team, everybody is connected. So we join hands and we really appreciate y'all coming out. And stay tuned.